Traxxas E.Revo 2.0 and the Traxxas Sledge. Yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison today from old success to new success. See the tires. Let's start with the tires. See the tires. These are a little bit wider. The Talon tires for the E.Revo, a little bit wider. I think they're a little bit shorter though. Let's see if they're a little bit shorter. No, about the same size. About the same size. These is Talon and these the Sledgehammers. Sledgehammers work pretty good. So do the Talon tires on the E.Revo. They both got the easy body off or easy access to take the body off. Except this one a little more complicated. Both of them still easy access. So, and here go the difference. Running the same system. As you can see with the E.Revo, you see with the E.Revo how the shocks are right here. These on the arms of the sledge. I just put a wing on there. This is running a power hobby servo, so it should react a little faster. I took the I had two servos, but I took one of them out just running on one servo. I had no clue that that servo was broke the whole time anyway, so then I just put it down to one. As you see, the Sledge got a bigger chassis than the E.Revo. Rod height, let's see who's taller. Hard to tell. Let me come back some. I think about the same. Rod height is about the same length, same size tires, except the E.Revo tires are a little wider, so they help with stability. Thing about both vehicles, both of them don't come with wheelie bars, but the E.Revo don't have sway bars. Don't have sway bars at all. At least you can upgrade the sway bars on the Sledge. The Sledge got a metal chassis. It makes it a little stronger. E.Revo, plastic, all plastic, which makes it flex. For the battery, the Sledge wins the battery option because you can still limit it, but you still could put certain almost any kind of batteries in here. But with the E.Revo, you stuck to one size. You stuck to basically not too many options with this battery strike. Yeah, both of the bodies are pretty durable and strong. But I'm here I want to see which one. I know the Sledge is definitely gonna be fast, so I'm not doing the speed test. And the Sledge more durable. I just want to see the difference in the handling. The handling stable. I want to compare them to. First up is the Traxxas. All right, here we go. Should drop that wheelie bar a little higher. Oh, that's right, this is my side wheelie car. See, the E.Revo got good handling. Definitely stable. See how it handles all that stuff? It doesn't flip. Yeah, this thing don't flip. Nice and stable though. Give it that much. The grass makes it overheat. You know what, that extra servo helped because I wasn't this wiry. Oh man, I gotta get back there. All right, let's get some dirt action. All right, let's see if we can handle it. Oh, finally got it. Held it. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, the power to this ain't like it's supposed to be. Maybe I gotta tighten up the different coils or something, I don't know. Try again. Like I said, it's hard to keep it straight on this, especially on this. Let's pull out the, because I don't feel like fixing it right now. I didn't even get started. All right, here we go. Right there tell you the power difference. It's the same stability, but the Sledge is a little better. That tire look like it's gonna explode. Yeah, that tire gonna go on me. I'm gonna do a try to do a little bit of jumping, but that tire definitely gonna go. Look at it wobbling. Oh yeah, and by the way, I got a wing on there. I got me a little orange wing now. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, that tire is not gonna last. Yeah, this is more stable on loose gravel though. If you notice, it's coming straight at me. That tire ain't gonna work. It's gonna blow. It's the left tire, left front. The gearing in both vehicles are factory. That's why they're not really pushing that speed. See how I controlled that? Oh, don't go into the gate. Yeah, the E.Revo couldn't handle it. It was too unstable. Now let's try that again. Boom. A little messed up though, but I already had to fix the hinge pins in the back. Yeah, the Sledge definitely win that. But I'm gonna tell you my comparisons at the end. Now you know this gonna handle this with no problem. Yeah, that tire playing a big part, man. I'd been angled wrong though. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Definitely a beast. Servo, man. Yeah, I mean, this servo gotta go. First thing you do with this car is upgrade the servo and the motor, man. And soon to be the tires. Yeah, finished bashing them. They nice and dirty now. The E.Revo performed pretty good. Pretty good. It's I'm having a hard time keeping it straight. Might be because of the servo I took out. Could be because the toe is wrong. It's a pretty old car though. The E.Revo is pretty old. So it's probably some tuning things I could do to straighten that out. Yeah, probably some tuning things I can straighten that out with. But the power delivery, I could up the pinion so it could be a little bit faster. So we're gonna rate this at a 9.5 for handling. Just because I took the servo out, usually gets a 10, but now you took one servo out, it gets a 9.5. Stability, it gets a 10. Durability, it gets a, I'm gonna have to give it an 8, because that's them new arms and they still popping out, so it's gonna get an 8 in durability. Availability, it definitely gets a 10. So the E.Revo, working on it, it definitely gets like a 9.5. This is a little harder to work on. I give it an 8 in easy to work on, gets an 8. So this E.Revo gets a 9.5. And that's the price of the E.Revo at the bottom of the car. Now for the Sledge. Sledge is taking over. The Sledge gets a 10 in handling, 10 in stable, 10 in durability, parts availability 10, and easy to work on definitely gets a 10. So the Traxxas Sledge get an overall 10. And the price of the Sledge is at the bottom. A little expensive, very expensive. These cars is pretty good. The E.Revo just needs some work. It's an older platform, so it needs some work for durability, power system. You know what I mean? I can always upgrade everything to bring it up to a 10 for everything. But as for out the box, factory, and you got to remember the E.Revo is old. It's an old RC car. It's an old RC car. So had this for a minute, and before I had it, somebody else had it for a minute. So this is an old RC car. So it still runs good. All right, whatever. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.